there is much power in a community that I didn't necessarily feel when I was growing up, because it's very easy to feel isolated when you're working on an issue, especially one that isn't necessarily picked up by mainstream activists. Especially, you know, if you feel like you're in a rural community, or you might be, you know, young, you might feel like you don't have enough qualifications to work hard. But you know what? That's how I felt once. But I'm in a place now where I feel like I can look at other people in the community that I know and say, hang on, I can be like them. They too started from a different place. So I think the first thing you need to do is find someone who feels the same way you do. Then look at how other people make you feel and why they make you feel that way. Unpick, who is it that's got this power over me? Is it my local government? Is it my family? Is it my friends? Is it the teachers? Is it the law enforcement? And see, what is it that you possess that you feel could help change those attitudes? Because it's the attitudes that need to change before people sign the legislation and put it into power.
I would tell them, not get frustrated. There's, you know, join organizations we have like Amnesty or others. Take it personally and do something about it, because at the end you do get there. Sometimes it takes long. Like, for example, people might remember that it took 30 years for, you know, the cases, the grave human rights violations that a dictator like Pinochet had committed to come to the light and to get people into prison. And have justice for those people. But so sometimes it takes a long time, but I mean, if we persist, we get there in the end.
What I would like to tell is that this is a long process. You cannot change the world at once. You cannot change the world in a lifetime probably, but you can start the change. You can be a part of the change. You can make it better for, you know, my siblings. You can make it better for your siblings. You can make it better for your kids. You can make it better for even the people around you. Anyone really. And you can't do it alone, and you don't have to do it alone. Because the power is in the people. The power is in numbers. The power is in the whole mindset of the whole society. And you are contributing to that by speaking up. And that's the most important thing you can do. And apart from that, just be yourself. Just wake up in the morning, go on with your life, just exist. Because there are no human rights without human beings. There is no movement without normal, regular people. There aren't any activists without people like me who just become active. You just need to be you and to be human and to have compassion and to be a little bit brave.